Hello student, Hemant Sir is here. So today we are going to understand the very important theorem, which is the sum of measure of all the right angle triangle is equals to 180 degree, and then we have to prove. So it is nothing but the use of properties of parallel line. So by using parallel line with respect to our triangle, we can prove that the internal angle of any triangle, the sum of measure of internal angle of any triangle is equals to 180 degree, that we have to prove. Okay, so what is the theorem? The theorem is the sum of measure of all angles. Which angles? Interior angle of triangle is of 180 degree, that we have to prove. So it is given that the sum of measure of all angles is 180 degree, that we have to prove. So what is given? The triangle ABC is any triangle you can consider. You can take right angle, not right angle, any triangle you can take. Okay. So what we have to prove? That all this triangle angle, that is angle ABC, angle ABC plus angle ACB, angle ACB, this angle plus this angle equals to 180 degree, we have to prove. Okay, so we have to construct something. What? We had to draw parallel line of BC from this vertices, from the vertices A. So we have to draw perpendicular line from here. Okay, so draw a line parallel to the segment BC and which have to passes through the A. On the line, take a point P and Q such that PAQ. So we are taking point P here. See, this is the diagram. We are taking point P and Q, and PAQ are the collinear point, and we have drawn parallel line of BC. Okay, so we can say BC is parallel to PQ. We have drawn. It is nothing but by construction. And see, this segment and BC segment are parallel line, and AB is transversal line. That means AB intersect both the line from at a point A and B. Okay, therefore this angle P, from here we are taking angle ABC equals to angle PAB by alternate angle theorem. This angle and this angle are of same measure. Okay, by which test? By alternate angle test. Then line PQ is parallel to BC. PQ is nothing but parallel to BC by the construction we have drawn. Therefore a angle ACB. Which one? ACB, this one, and angle QAC are also similar, again by alternate angle theorem. So by alternate angle theorem, therefore from equation 1 and 2. So by equation 1 and 2 we can say that angle ABC plus angle ACB, ABC and ACB, ABC and ACB, that means this angle plus this angle equals to this angle plus this angle, that is angle PAB plus angle QAC. So this is nothing but our third equation. And angle A is common, on both the part. Therefore we can say angle ABC plus angle ACB plus angle BAC equals to angle PAB plus angle QAC plus angle BAC. Okay, so this angle plus this angle plus this angle equals to this angle plus this angle plus this angle. Okay, by equation 1, 2 and 3. Now see, this angle plus this angle plus this angle, इनका सम कितना होगा? 180 डिग्री होगा. कैसे? ये एक स्ट्रेट लाइन के ऊपर जो एंगल फॉर्म होता है किसी भी पॉइंट के ऊपर, वो कितना होता है? 180 डिग्री का. देयरफॉर इसके बराबर और इसके बराबर हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? 180 डिग्री. ओके, सो यहाँ पर दिया हुआ है सिंस एंगल PAB प्लस एंगल BAC इक्वल्स टू एंगल PAC, एंगल PAC। ओके, देयरफॉर बाय, यहाँ पर अगर हम बात करें एंगल PAB प्लस एंगल BAC प्लस एंगल QAC इक्वल टू कितना हो जाएगा 180 डिग्री। ओके, और इसी को हमने उसके इक्वल में लिखा है। नाउ दैट इज सम, अब देखो, अब इन तीनों एंगल का सम कितना है 180 डिग्री, और ये तीनों एंगल का सम इन तीनों एंगल के सम के बराबर होता है। दैट मीन्स अगर इनका सम 180 डिग्री है तो इनका भी जो सम होगा इंटरनल एंगल के किसी भी ट्राइंगल के, वो कितना होगा 180 डिग्री ही होगा। ओके, सो दिस इज नथिंग बट that is the sum of measure of all three angles of a right of any triangle is equals to 180 degree, and it is that we have to prove. So we have to write here hence proved. We have to write here hence proved. Now we will understand alternate angle test. This is the theorem for alternate angle. Okay, whether they are equal or not. If a pair of, so the theorem statement says if a pair of alternate angle formed by the transversal of two lines is congruent, then two lines are parallel, that we had to prove. Okay, so it is given that line N is a transversal of line L and M. So this is the line L, this one is line M, and line N is transversal. That means it intersects both the line on two distinct point. Okay, so what is more given? Angle A and angle B are congruent. This angle A and angle B are also congruent by alternate angle test. That is angle A is equals to angle B. So angle A is equals to angle B. So what we had to prove? We had to prove line L is parallel to line M. That means these two lines are parallel, that we had to prove. Okay, so now angle A plus angle C equals to 180. Angle A plus angle C equals to of 180 degree. If they are 180 degree, that means it is nothing but the linear pair of angle. Linear pair means एक लाइन के ऊपर जो pair of angle फॉर्म हुए उनका सम कितना होगा 180 डिग्री होगा. Then angle A equals to angle B. Angle A equals to angle B. It is given part alternate angle test से. So angle B plus angle C, angle B plus angle C equals to also of 180 degree, because A और C का सम 180 डिग्री है. So, और A B के बराबर है, तो हम A और C, A के बदले में हम क्या लिख देंगे B. So B plus C equals to also of 180 degree. But B and C, which angle? Angle B and angle C are interior angle on the same side of the transversal line. So जो ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन है उसके एक ही साइड में फॉर्म हो रहे एंगल B एंड एंगल C. ओके, और ये कंडीशन कब आती है? जब दो लाइन दैट इज L एंड M पैरेलल हो तब. देयरफॉर एंगल B एंड एंगल C आर इंटीरियर एंगल्स ऑन द सेम साइड ऑफ द ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन. सो देयरफॉर लाइन L एंड लाइन M आर पैरेलल टू ईच अदर. इट इज बाय द इंटीरियर एंगल टेस्ट. ओके, so students, this test is going to use in your next practice set. That's why it is very important that you have to remember. Now we have to check the corresponding angle test, whether corresponding angles are congruent to each other or not. Okay, that we have to solve. So the statement of the theorem is, if a pair of corresponding lines formed by the transversal of two lines is congruent, then two lines are parallel, that we have to prove. So line N is a transversal of line M and N. So we have drawn two line and N is the pair is transversal for both the lines. And angle A and angle B are congruent. Which one? Angle A and angle B are congruent. How? Corresponding angles test से. ठीक है, that is angle A equals to angle B. What we have to prove? We have to prove line M is parallel to line N. हमको इन दोनों लाइंस को प्रूव करना है, they are parallel. Okay, So proof, angle A plus angle C, see this one, angle A plus angle C, again it is linear pair of angle, so by this their measure is 180 degree, and angle A is equals to angle B. We have already proven that angle A equals to angle B, therefore we can say angle B plus angle C, B and C कैसे हो जाएंगे 180 डिग्री का, क्योंकि हमारे पास ऑलरेडी है एंगल A प्लस एंगल C इक्वल्स टू 180 डिग्री, बट एंगल A और B कैसा है सेम है, तो B को हमने इसके बदले में प्लेस कर दिया, तो एंगल B प्लस एंगल C इक्वल्स हो जाएगा 180 डिग्री। और एक कब होता है, जब टू लाइंस आर पैरेलल टू ईच अदर, so that is the pair of interior angle on the same side of the transversal is congruent. It shows that line L and M are parallel to each other with the help of interior angle test. Okay, this property is also called as corresponding angle test. Which one? This one, the theorem or this property of the parallel lines is called as corresponding angle test theorem. Okay, so students, I hope आपको सारी के सारी टेस्ट समझ में आ गई होगी। अगर समझ में नहीं आया तो प्लीज डू रिपीट द वीडियो सो दैट यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड मोर प्रिसाइजली। ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।